Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you all? How are you, children?
Thanks.
Yes, everyone. How was your test today?
It was good.
Sorry,
It was good.
it was good. Any doubts from the test?
No,
Was there any doubt, guys? Everyone, please turn on your cameras. Everyone, turn on your cameras. Everyone. So, in last class, guys, I just gave you a couple of questions to solve regarding areas related to circles. So, how many have you done with those problems? I'm asking you only, guys.
sir, you didn't post it on Google Classroom as you said you would.
Sorry.
You had said that you would post the questions on Google Classroom in the form of a worksheet, but you never did.
No. Actually, I posted it. Let me show you one thing. Look at this here. I posted the class notes as well. Let me show you. Let me show you one thing. Look at this. Look at this here. Now, can you able to see the screen here?
You're not sharing your screen.
No, one second. Ah, so one second. Let me show you clearly. So now coming to the worksheets. So areas related to, look at this. If you just open this, look at this. Areas related to circles. It has been shared. It has been said on what? August.
Yes, sir, I saw.
Yes.
Because the title says that it's the lecture notes. That's why
No,
I
no.
didn't think
Let,
it was.
see. Both are different. Under the worksheet, look at this here. Under the worksheets, we
Yes, sir,
have,
I got it. I got it.
look at this here. Let me show you. Under the worksheet, if you just click on the worksheets here, under the worksheet, you can find it out. And if you need a class notes, look at this. We just go through the areas related to circles. If you go through this, you can find it out. Areas later. This is a lecture 3. Even you click this, you can able to see the notes. Let me show you. Look at this. So these are class notes, and these are the questions. I just asked you to find out this question. I just asked you to solve this question. How many have you done, guys? Look at this. These are the questions I know has been assigned to you, and homework on this 28 2021. So these many questions, and including this, and worksheets. Coming to the worksheets, we had this. Look at this here, worksheets. So there will be a 39 questions. I just ask you to solve these questions as well. So need not to go for all these questions at a time. Just go, before 1st September, before 1st of September, you need to submit this. So just make a plans accordingly. Just, I don't see many of you are, texting me. I'm not getting messages from anyone. I don't know whether you guys are solving or not. No. I don't accept that. I don't accept that. Everyone should text me, guys. I don't accept you as if you are simply telling me. How could I believe that? How can I believe that? I am not gonna believe, guys. Look at this here. And arithmetic progression. Still, I see only 4 members have submitted this. Look at this. I see only 4 members: Amrita, Ahil, Anudeep, and Mohammed. Shut up. So only these 4 members have submitted. I don't see many of you, are not submitting the worksheets. Still 11 members has to submit. Akil, Diksha, Tushar, Tanvi, Pratyusha, Prativa, Udbhav, Steve, Sira, Yogesh, Nudis, Javian. So these many people has to submit still. Why didn't you submit, guys? Tell me. What was the problem with you? Turn on your cameras, everyone. I need a response from everyone. Yes, tell me. Akil, why didn't you submit? Ahil, I think Ahil submitted.
I submitted.
Yes, Akil, why
Sir,
did
I will submit today.
how many days you want to take, man? Tell me.
Sir, I did, but I forgot the.
No, you same thing you told in the last class, but you are saying again I'll submit today. Why? Hmm? Tell me. Amrita has submitted. Pratibha,
Sir,
can you please wait a minute? Steve. Pratibha,
Yes, sir.
why didn't you submit?
Sir, I'll submit it today.
How many days you want to take? Last class you said the same thing. Last class you delivered the same dialogue. Pratyusha, what about you?
Sir, I'll do it today.
I'll do today. If I ask next class, I'll do today. How many days will you do? Tell me. Diksha, I request everyone turn on your cameras. Akil, Anudeep, Pratibha, Pratyusha, Udbhav, Himanshu, Tushar, Ashish, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, I'll submit it today.
Sorry,
I'll submit it today.
you will submit it today.
Yes, sir.
You said same thing in last class as well. Why? Diksha, you said same thing in the last class, isn't it? Are you here, Diksha? I'm talking to you only.
Sir, yeah, but yes, sir, I'll submit it today.
See, you cannot know, you cannot do the same thing every time. No, I'm telling everyone here. So yes, please, you have to be so responsible. You have to be so careful while doing all this stuff. One time, two time is fine, but it's been more, so many days. Many of you didn't submit. Himanshu, why didn't you submit, Himanshu?
Sir, in my sir worksheet is not there, sir.
Worksheet is not there. आपका
It is not
दूसरा
showing, sir.
why it's not showing?
I don't know, sir.
ये silly reasons I don't want to hear, man. No, it is not possible something like that. Then you must have dropped a message to me, isn't it? I should have shared you personally. Did you do that? Did you do that? I'm asking.
No, sir.
Then you are laughing, man. I don't understand. I'm talking seriously. You're laughing. Huh? Why so? Did you do a message? Did you or else
Sir, I will try today, sir. If again
no.
that is
One
just
second.
that only, sir.
You
Say
didn't
to
text
you.
me. Fine. Did you text at least Rahul sir in that regard?
No, sir.
It's a technical issue from my side, sir. Can you please do a favor in this regard? So I'm not able to view the worksheet. Can you please ask Suresh sir to send the worksheet? Did you text at least Rahul sir if you're not able to text me directly?
No, sir.
Then how irresponsible you are, I don't understand.
Sir, first day it was showing, sir, but after that it disappears,
That is
sir. I
what I'm
don't know.
saying, right? That is what I'm saying. That is your responsibility. Then how come I should know that? If you're not informing me, how come I should know? Should I come your home and just ask you and check your notebooks? Tell me. If you want me to do, I'll come. I'll take bike and I'll come to your home. Tell me. Tell me, man. Tushar, why didn't you submit?
Sir, I said right, I'm taking on exams right now, Tier 1.
Okay. So you didn't finish.
Yes, sir. It will finish this Thursday.
No. I'm asking whether you have, arithmetic progressions. I'm talking about arithmetic progression.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it will finish. Like I'm taking up the exams. After the exams, I'll complete it and I will finish it.
Okay. What about Udbhav? Udbhav, what about you?
Sir, it's complete, sir. I'll submit after class.
See, after the class, those who just promised me now, Udbhav, Pratibha, Pratyusha, Diksha, and who else? Akhil. Uh, yes. So these are the people, after finishing the class is going to wind up at 7:30, right? So within 7:40, like by 7:40, I must be able to see you guys all, like, you guys submitted that within 10 minutes. Then only I could believe that you guys have done that, or else you are lying at me. If you are not submitting, then you are lying at me, of course. Yes. What is your name? Simon, I mean, Steve.
Sir, I think I submitted, but then I think I did not turn in the worksheet. Turn in.
1 second. Did
Like
you,
in-
did you submit that? Did you submit that? See, I don't see the name then. I don't see the name here.
Sir, I
Just shut
think
up.
I did not turn in. Turn in. Like, when you submit, like in the folder when you send, and then after that you have to turn in the worksheet.
Okay.
So I think I
You
did not do
submitted. You
that.
submitted, right?
Yeah.
But I don't see you. Just try it again. Just post it again,
Sir, I'll try again.
please. By today. What about Ashish? Ashish.
Sir, yes, sir.
Tell me, why didn't you submit? I'm asking personally. I'm asking personally to everyone that whether you have done your worksheet or not. Come on.
Sir,
Ashish.
just a minute, sir. I'll just check, sir.
No.
think it
See,
didn't
turn on
go.
your camera first. Turn on-
Again,
Everyone turn on your cameras. I'm asking everyone, please. Everyone, I request everyone that
sir, yes, sir. Just
tell me. I request everyone that those who have promised me now, sir, after the class we are going to submit. We will submit. So you just promised me like this, right? So as soon as I done with the class by 7:40, I should see everyone, submitting on time. So once you just get out of the meeting, immediately you must have to finish, and you must have to finishing, you must have to finish the, uploading the worksheet. You are saying, sir, I have done, but sir, I didn't, make it as a file, PDF, or some, like, I don't want to hear all those, experience. But by today, 7:40, within 10 minutes, or 7:45, you take at least 15 minutes to submit. By 7:45, before submit, on or before 7:45, I must see that the people who have promised me, I should see their files. I should see their files. Is that clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? Udbhav, Ashish, Pratibha, Pratyusha, Diksha, is that clear or not? Akhil?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And how was your test?
yes, sir.
Start with the Simon. Simon, tell me, Simon, how was your test?
Sir, yes.
Huh? Kya yes? Tell me,
You asked me.
who is Steve here? Simon, Steve, yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, this time I didn't do the test because I missed some classes.
Hmm. Did you inform
I
someone?
had to see
Did
the
no.
recordings. full
Did,
recording.
did you inform me? I'm asking.
No, sir.
You didn't do. Why so? This
Sir,
is what called as absolutely irresponsible. Irresponsibility, not responsibility. This is what called as absolutely irresponsible. I don't understand how irresponsible you guys are. There's a basic, sir, I'm not able to attempt the test since I couldn't attend many lectures. I'll go through that. I'll just submit. I'll attempt the quiz in the next session. You had time, right? You had time to go through the lectures and you can submit. You had a 12 hours of time to, attempt the test. No problem. Just give a try. Give a try. So what were the chapters actually? Areas related to circles, right?
yes, sir.
What were the chapters?
Pair of linear equations into a
Pair of
pair.
linear equations. At least you could have solved a pair of linear equations, two variables, right? That wasn't the chapter which has been discussed earlier. That was the chapter already, it has been done by your school side, from your school side. At least you could have attempted that, right? Why didn't you attempt the test? Guys, don't be afraid. No one is going to kill you. No one is going to kill you even if you get a less mark. If you get less marks. Am I scolding if you are getting less marks? Am I motivating you? Am I motivating you guys? If you get less marks, I'm not just giving you suggestion to solve in a better way. Aren't we discussing the question paper? Aren't we discussing anything, the doubts whichever you are, coming up? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So then why? What is the problem? I don't understand. So this is what called as, I'm telling you, irresponsibility. So if you are irresponsible in this stage, guys, I'm just telling you, right? You are going to follow. You are going to continue with the same irresponsible your lifelong. So it, makes you so lazy in your life. If you are so lazy, guys, I'm telling you, you cannot make anything. You cannot make anything on time. Everything is, life is all about on time. If you are on time, then your life is going to be so proper. If you're not on time matlab kya hota hai? On time, what do you mean by on time? On time means you have to do everything on perfect time. This is your perfect time. If you're not doing now, you cannot do that. You all right? Perfect time का मतलब समझ रहे हैं? On time मतलब क्लास को on time join करना, होमवर्क ये भी होता है on time, मतलब चीजों को on time करना, मतलब सीखना, responsibility लेना जिंदगी में, taking responsibility in life. You are not a small kid. You are in 10th standard. You will be able to understand what I'm talking about. Is that clear? आ रहा है समझ में मैं जो बात कर रहा हूँ? देखो चीजों को टाइम पे रेस्पॉन्सिबल लेना, रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से डील करना, दैट इज व्हाट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू अंडरस्टैंड? आई एम नॉट राइटिंग द टेस्ट. So, since I couldn't attend many lectures, I don't accept this kind of excuses. Yes, I would have accepted if I just conducted only areas related to circles, but I had just, I just conducted, I just conducted test on another topic as well. Two topics we just had, right? So at least you could have attempted. You should have attempted test and just give your performance for your just 50% of the test. Please
Sir,
don't
I
repeat. I'm not telling.
area
See, I'm not telling no Steve alone. I'm just talking to everyone here. See, if I'm just taking a point, I'm not point outing one child. I'm just talking to him. I'm talking to everyone. So such taki just no one is mistake. No one is repeating the same mistake again. Clear? Yes. Tell me, Simon. You are about to say something.
Yes, sir. Like previously, you have sent the areas in circle test. That I have already done.
No. Yesterday there was a test, right? There was a test on pair of linear equation, two variables and areas related. If you just go through the question paper, you will come to know that what are the questions has been asked. So that what are the questions you can make. I think you get 0, man. Attempt the test. You get 0. No one is going to kill. No one is going to scold. No one is going to ask you, why did you? I'm going to ask you, what are the mistakes you made? What are the mistakes you made? What are the reason? What are the reasons behind making those mistakes? Right? That is what I'm going to ask questions. You must be in a position, sir. So I had this issue, so I couldn't make it. Next time I'll make it in a better way. Attempt the test.
Okay.
If you're not attending, how come you know that where you are lacking with? If you're not attending the test, if you're not at least trying at the question, looking at the question, how come you understand? You will be always in the same position, right? If you wanna see some, great results in your side, inside, in your side, from your side, if you wanna see great results, then how come you understand? If you're not at a team hand, how come you know that? Tell me, isn't it? You understand my point? Without, without looking, without having a taste of a curry, would you be able to tell the taste of curry? Isn't it? Until and unless you have a curry, until and unless you just eat that particular curry or whatever the sabji आप जो बनाते हैं ना घर में, बिना खाने के हम लोग टेस्ट नहीं पता चलता है ना. खाने के बाद you must, you will be in a position to tell अरे यार जो सब्जी अच्छी बनी है. Isn't it? वही बोल रहा हूँ मैंने. You never understand if you're not, just writing a test, if you're not just testing yourself. I hope आपको समझ में आ रहा है मैंने जो बोल रहा हूँ आपको. आया?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about Ahil? How did you feel the test?
Nice, sir, but trigonometry I get less. Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, in one test I get nice marks, but in trigonometry I get less marks.
No, I'm asking how was your yesterday's test? Trigonometry, I'm not.
It was easy, sir. But
Was easy. You're talking about what?
yes, sir.
I'm asking that you're talking about trigonometry. What was that? Can you please tell me again?
Sir, in trigonometry I have get less marks because I was not getting the concept.
No problem.
Sir, I think you accidentally posted the
Sorry, shut up. Tell me.
I think you accidentally posted the test for batch B because I checked.
Batch B, I didn't get you. Can you please complete the statement properly?
Yes, sir. Once.
अरे भाई क्या हो रहा है? कौन बात कर रहा है बाजू में?
Yes, sir.
अरे यार ये क्या थोड़ा थोड़ा हंस रहा है, बंद कर रहा है हंस.
So, yes, sir. I was saying that you accidentally posted the batch B.
हाँ कट हो जा रहा है क्या? शॉर्ट कट. अरे यार क्या सिनेमा शूटिंग चल रही है क्या इधर?
Sorry,
एक्शन.
it was my sister.
Yes, tell me. No problem. कोई ना बात करो भाई, बात करने दो उनको. क्यों उसको क्यों रोक रहा है?
No, sir. She's just joking.
No problem.
I was saying that you accidentally, put the test for batch B last time. It's not there anymore for trigonometry.
No. Look at it. Let me show you 1 second.
It's not there right now, sir. I just checked, but when I was writing the test, I saw it.
Yes,
Sir,
one
when I attempted the test, sir, I also found trigonometry for batch B test.
Acha.
Yeah, I also got trigonometry.
No. I didn't post for anything for batch B. I just created a paper for only 10A. You are from 10A section, right? So yes.
Yes, sir.
So देखो मैं आपको बताता हूँ 1 मिनट. मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ ना. एक बार आपको मैंने बताता हूँ 1 मिनट. एक बार. Okay. It's loading, just a minute. Look at this. 10 we weekly trigonometry. This is, look at this here. Can you able to see the class 10? Only class 10. आया समझ? देखो आपका टेस्ट इधर था. Let me show you. Look at this here. Class 10 10A mock test. आया समझ? देखो इधर दिख रहा है भाई लोग.
Yes, sir.
This is what your test. There might have been, that test might have been created by another teacher. 10B weekly test on trigonometry. Our topic was what? Areas related to circle and pair of linear equations. Just go for that. दिस इज ना 10 ये देखो, इसको क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कौन सा क्वेश्चन क्या था। देखो व्हाट वर द क्वेश्चन, दीज वर द क्वेश्चन। इसको ऐसा देखा, आया समझ? गेटिंग माय पॉइंट हियर?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
अगेन पीपल आर टर्निंग ऑफ योर कैमरा। अखिल, उद्भव, तुषार, आशीष,
Yes, sir.
अनुदीप।
Excuse me, sir.
यस हिमांशु।
I don't know why, but sir, all the technical problem are coming in me only, sir. I am unable to register in Topper, sir. In my laptop also, sir, I am unable to register with the same email ID, Gmail.
You do one thing here. You just talk to Manoj sir, and first you talk to Rahul sir. If you are not coming up with the situation, then you go for the Manoj sir and ask. Okay.
Okay, sir. Actually, last time I talked to Rahul sir, he also sent me some videos of how to register, but sir, still it is coming that only.
Approach Manoj sir once.
Okay, sir.
Yes. What about Akhil? Sorry, Akhil. How was the test, Akhil? Hmm?
It was good.
Any doubts from the question paper?
Sir, I just needed to clarify one.
Yes, once again. I'll come to you, shut up, 1 second. Ahil, tell me. Tell me, Ahil.
Sir, you are talking to Akhil, sir.
Sorry, Akhil. Any doubts, Ahil? Sorry, Akhil.
No, sir.
Okay. Anudip,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
tell me.
No, sir. I had no problem in the test. Just after I submitted the answers, I got 2 questions wrong. Which of one of the question the answer is wrong. I
Okay.
felt it wrong.
Okay, no problem. So
That's it.
that is the reason I just didn't post the results. So once we discuss that, I know if anything wrong, then I'll give a marks accordingly, percentage and accordingly, no problem. Okay, Himanshu Singh, Himanshu, I just spoke to him. Amrita.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The paper was good, but I got stuck in 1 or 2 questions.
Okay. Good. So did you check those mistakes again? Did you check?
Yes, sir.
Great. Diksha, what about you?
Sir, the paper was good, but I got confused in 1 to 2 questions.
Okay. No problem. Tushar,
Yes, sir.
how was your paper? How was your test?
Good, sir. Sir, I got most of my mistakes in areas of circles only.
No problem. One more week. Next week also we'll be writing a test on areas related to circles only. So that is the only
Yes,
chapter
sir.
which
I
you
need.
covered, right? Yeah, no
Yes,
problem.
sir. I need some
Yes,
practice in that chapter.
exactly. You are right. Ashish,
Yes, sir.
tell me
Sir,
how.
the test was okay, sir. I got 2 mistakes, sir, in the test.
Okay.
So that I'll ask it last, sir. I'll check the question paper and I'll.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shut up.
Yes, sir. It was good, and I actually got a lot correct. And what I had assumed the meaning of a word was correct, but I just wanted to clarify one more time. The word, for example, 1 second. Let me check. The area of incircle of an equilateral triangle means the circle is inside the triangle, right?
Yeah. We'll discuss that question. I'm just asking you, how was the paper? Was it good or?
It was good, sir. No problem.
Okay, no problem. We'll discuss the question one by one, no problem. Yes. Chalo. And Udbhav, what about you, Udbhav?
Sir, it was good, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Look at the first question. So if the system, which question, guys? Let us discuss the question, whichever you are, having doubts. First question, any doubt? First question. You must tell me immediately so that we can just finish up the question.
No, sir, no doubt.
Next. So the value of C for
No, sir.
No, very simple, guys. Value of the C solving this infinite venue solution. The infinite venue solution मतलब ये condition होता है A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C. Right? So if you just go through that, you will find it out that infinite venue solution मतलब ये condition, guys. This is a condition. Look at this here. All right. So next, the pair of linear equations this and this have. So just go for that. If you go to, guys, this is a condition. No, 1 second. So I'll post it out here. 1 second. Look at this. So if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, it will be having a unique solution. Condition given. देखो, no solution मतलब ये condition, infinitely का मतलब ये condition. This is what the condition. Please go through that. Okay. So next. So if the circumference and area of a circle are numerically equal, diameter of the circle is what? Any doubts in this question? 4.
Sir, explain this question.
Sorry. Yes. How many have you done with this question? Guys, how many have you done with
Sir,
this?
I got it. I got this question.
Sir, even I got.
No problem. Let us solve this question. One second. Let me pose this question. Look at this. So the circumference and area of a circle. इसको कैसा? Look at this. Let me. Can you able to see this question clearly?
Yes, sir.
Circumference of circle is what, beta? 2 pi r.
2 pi r.
And area of the
So
circle is what? Is equal to pi r square.
Pi r
Numerically
square.
equal. Then diameter क्या होगा?
Sir, instead of r, we can write d by 2, sir.
Instead of r, you can write d. Is asking about diameter, right? So diameter means we have to write r in terms of
D by.
d. Look at this here. This is my r. This is my r. So this identity fully full amount of diameter होता है. So diameter is equal to what? 2 times of r. R is equal to what? D by 2 I can write. Right? So in place of r, I can substitute d by 2 now. Is equal to pi. So d square by 4. R square and d
Sir,
square
we
by
can
4.
cancel 1 d by 2, right?
Instead of doing that, first let us.
We can just cancel the radius on the left side and the square on the right side.
Yes, 2 pi is equal to pi r.
And cancel the pi as well.
Cancel the pi as well if you want. देखो मुझे क्या मिलेगा अभी? देखो
D is 4, sir.
r मतलब
So then D is equal to 2R. So 2
So
into
is
2
equal,
is
I'll be remaining with R here. So D is equal to R matlab D by 2. So diameter is
Okay.
equal to what? 4. Very simple, isn't it? So this is the answer. Answer 4 is
Yes.
correct here. Very simple. I hope it is clear, Diksha. Is that right? Is that clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Very good. So next question. So the difference between the circumference and the radius of a circle is 37. Then the area of circle is what? Difference between radius pi r 2 pi r minus pi r square. So is equal to 37. Then find the area.
Sir, 2 pi r minus
Sir,
r.
2 pi oh radius given, right? Not area. Okay. So 2 pi r minus r is equal to 37 given. Then area of the circle is what? Very simple. How many of you got this?
sir, this
I
one I
got
didn't
this.
get, sir.
When 1 second, let us write this. Let us solve this question. Right?
Sir, even in this test, the questions are jumbled, right? My
Oh,
question
yeah,
will.
yeah. Every questions will be jumbled. Look at this. The difference between the circumference and radius. Circumference is what? What is circumference? Just now I told 2 pi r. Difference between radius. Difference matlab
Minus
minus
r.
37. So देखो r take common here. 2 pi minus 1 is equal to 37. अरे रे 37, isn't it? Is that clear? So how can I do this now? So 2 pi matlab 2 into 22 by 7 minus 1 is equal to 37. Or else you can simply do this. Let us check the options. What are the options given? Oh, it is given in integers, right? So let us write r is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 means 44 by 7 minus 1 is equal to 37. So r into 44 minus 7 by 7 is equal to 37. Clear? Clear. So r is equal to 44 minus 7, how much? 37. Isn't it? By 7 is equal to 37 here. So 37 cancel हो जाएगा. Radius कितना मिलेगा? Radius is equal to what? 7 centimeter. So area, therefore area of triangle is what?
Pi
Area
r square.
of triangle is equal to pi r square. So pi matlab 22 by 7. R square matlab 7 into 7.
7 into
So this
7,
will get 7 how much? So 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 40, 15. So 154 centimeters square. Very simple, direct question. Is that clear? So option C is correct. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts, Ashish? Ashish, any doubt? Hello? Ashish ji, are you here? I think he is not here. So no problem. Look, there is a pair of linear equations, x is equal to a and y is equal to b, graphically represent the lines are what?
Intersecting at A, comma B.
Yes, a comma b. X is equal to a, very simple, x is equal to a and y is equal to b. So on x-axis you must take a units and y-axis you must take b units, and so that you can get a at intersecting at a comma b. So that is going to be your option, correct option. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
You cannot write intersecting at b comma a. Sir, b comma a comma b both are same. No. X first we'll be writing x coordinate, then we'll write y coordinate, isn't it? Yes. Option D is correct. So next question. If a wire is bent into shape of a square, then the area of square is 81 centimeter square. When the wire is bent into semi-circular shape, okay, 1 second. Let me minimize it. Look at this. If a wire bent into shape of a square, then the area of square is 81 centimeter square.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if we take a square, so its each side is equal. So A will be its side. So when the wire is straight, it will be 4A, the length of the wire.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. So then we have A, and A square is the area. So continuing, we get the answer. That's it, right?
Yeah. Similarly, look at this here. Basically, the question is 81 centimeter square. When a wire is bent into semicircular shape, then the area of semicircle will be what? Look at this question. Let us discuss this question. How many have you done this, guys? If you have any doubts, we'll solve this question. No problem. You can't able to see the screen, right? Or else we'll do one thing, guys. 1 second. Look at this question. Yes. So if a wire bent, if a wire bent in the shape of a square, right? So if any wire you take, it is bent in the form of what? A square like this. So each side will be all sides will be equal in a square. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is what here? Area of square given 81. So perimeter is equal to 4a. Area is equal to a square. So area of square given 81. So a value kitna? 9.
9.
So perimeter kitna aayega? 36 centimeter.
36 centimeter.
Very simple. So wire is bent into a semicircular shape. If wire is bent into a semicircular shape, circular shape, then the area of semicircle is what? So wire semicircular matlab aisa. If a wire bent in the shape of this one. So look at this now. So it becomes what? Semicircular means what?
Half pi r square. Area.
Half pi r square. Why? Because it is area of the circle is what? Half of pi r square. Why? Because it is in the half of the circle, isn't it? So the area of semicircle will be what? This is what we have to find out, isn't it? Yes or no? But how can I find out radius first? That is the question. Look at this. So wire is bent. If I bent in a semicircle, look at this here. First, can I write? This is my, look at this here. What is the perimeter of this? What is the perimeter of this? Radius, diameter plus, this is a center, isn't it? This is a center here. Diameter plus, what's the perimeter of this part? What's the perimeter of this? Hello, see here. Let me clear one point here. This is a R and R. What is the perimeter? What is the circumference of this? 2 pi R. What is the circumference of this half?
Sir, pi r.
Pi R, isn't it? You understand my point? See, look at this. Let me clear here. Let me clear. Perimeter is equal to 2 pi R. Here, what is the perimeter? What's the perimeter here? Perimeter is equal to D plus pi R. Is that clear? Diameter plus pi R, no? Yes or no? You understand? So what is D here? D means 2 times of R plus pi R. Aaya samajh?
No, sir, I didn't get you, sir.
No.
Why did you add D?
Look at this. I'm just talking about full, perimeter of this full part. Is that clear? I'm just talking about only, this is the pi R here. This is a pi R. What about this? We are not including this. This fully 2 pi R. This half is pi R, isn't it? You understand my point?
I got it now, sir.
Now this is a pi R plus pi R, 2 pi R, right? So we have only this. This is a pi R plus this one. I'm talking about perimeter means I should add all the stuff. I should add all the sides whichever I have. Look at this now. So let me so what I got here. So perimeter of, now look at this. So which is R, can I take common? Yes, 2 plus pi is equal to what? Is equal to what? Perimeter of this is what? What is the perimeter?
36 centimeters.
36. Why? Because with that wire only we made it, isn't it? With that wire only we made this shape and this shape. So it is equal to 36 here. He only given, isn't it? So 36. 36. 36. Is that clear? So R is equal to 36 by 2 plus 22 by 7. So R is equal to 36 by 7 to 14 plus 22 by 7 means here into 7 in the numerator. So 36 into 7 by 36. 36 will be getting cancelled. 7 centimeter is my radius. I hope it is clear with everyone. So area of semicircle is equal to, therefore, area of semicircle is equal to what? Perimeter area of semicircle is what? Half times of pi r square. So half into 22 by 7 into r square means r into r, which means 7 into 7.
Sir, 154.
So look at this, 2 ones are 2 11s are not 154, man. 11 into 7 almost 77 centimeter square. This is my option.
So sir, I was saying about only that part, 22 by 7 to 77.
Achha. So no need of going, don't calculate like that. It takes much time. So C option is correct. So if you just calculate 22 into 7, it takes time. So instead of doing that, simply I can cancel like this. So 7 will get cancelled. I'll remain with only this part. So 11 7s 77. That's how you can say. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So 22 into 7 154 again by 7. Don't do that way. Okay, make the calculation as simple as you can. Clear? Any doubts here? Any doubts, boys? Sir, many of you might be getting a doubt that, sir, why are we writing 36 here? How did we get 36? Guys, look at this here. Let me tell you, we have this a wire. Okay, this is a wire here. With this wire, I just bend this wire into this way. Which means, so this is, look at this now. Perimeter of this square is equal to length of this wire, isn't it? Perimeter of this square is equal to length of that wire. How many of you agree with my point? उसका पेरीमीटर किसके बराबर होगा? लेंथ के बराबर होगा. किसका लेंथ? वायर के लेंथ. इज दैट क्लियर? आ रहा है समझ में? हेलो, दिस अ वायर बेटा, दिस अ वायर. With the help of this wire, I just made the shape called square, isn't it? Yes. मतलब इसका पेरीमीटर कितना था? कितना मिला मुझे? 36 मिला. मतलब वायर का लेंथ कितना था? 36 ही है ना अभी, isn't it? Yes or no? You understand my point? Common sense.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. देखो, now with the same wire I just made a shape called semicircle like this. इसका भी perimeter 36 ही होगा ना? इसका भी perimeter 36 ही होगा ना? With the same wire I am making another shape.
Yes, sir.
With the same shape, with the same wire I am making another shape. All right. With the same wire I am making another shape called semicircle. So that's what. That is the reason I'm just writing it 36. I hope it is clear with everyone. Next, 8th question. Next question, guys. I think 8th one is very easy for you all. So which question you have doubt? Someone was saying which question, guys?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, that in circle one, sir.
Which one?
Sir, I told you one question was wrong, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you please read that question? Can you please read
Yes,
that
sir.
question?
If a system of equations kx minus 5y equals to 2, comma 6x plus 2y equals to 7 has no solution, then k is equals to.
This one? 18th one?
Has no solution, sir.
As no solution, unique solution, right?
Sir, up.
This in circle, someone, well, let us go for this, then we'll go for that.
Yes, sir.
Area of what is the area of incircle of an equilateral triangle is 154 centimeter square. The perimeter of triangle is what? Both simple the question है. Option this is the given. What is your doubt here? What is your doubt?
Sir, I didn't understand what the area of in circle, sir.
It should be 72.6.
Area of in circle of an
Yes, yes,
equilateral
yes.
triangle.
One second. Let us discuss this. So solution, area of incircle. How much you got here? Yes. Look at this here. Option is correct only.
Sir, I got that one. It's 72.6 no, sir.
72.6 is up. Look at this. 72.6 can be written as 72.7 only. No. Of course, correct.
Yes.
Sir, I left that because
No. Look at this here.
that one, no.
Approximately. Look at this here. Look at this here, everyone. Whenever you have approximate value, guys, look at this here. Whenever you have approximate value in decimals, you take. See here, for suppose if I have 71.4, this can be. If you don't, your answer is 71. Okay. Your answer, for suppose your answer is 71.4 here. But in option, the option availability is 71 only. Just put a tick mark on that. If you don't have 71.4 exactly, if you have 71, just put a tick mark on that. If I have 71.6, something like that, then you can go for 72. After decimal, look at this. If I have more than 0.5, then you can go for 72. Next number. I think you might have learned in your decimals, chapter 6 standard, 7 standard. See here 0.6 we have, which means you can go for the next number. All right. So if I have 71.9, something like that, I can go simply 72. Similarly, you might have got what was your answer? 72.66. So 72.7 I could write.
66.
72.6 or 73 I could write. 73 is not possible here. So we don't have our option. So 66. Next number is 7. I could write like that. Clear?
Sir, I kept this question as this question is wrong and I went for the next question.
Of course, no. It is 110% correct. I was wondering if you are asking that. So you got a procedure, right? You got a procedure, right? Then correct. So option D is correct. Your answer is a pakka correct. 72.66 is pakka correct. But similarly, the approximately 72.7 is correct. There is a no change.
Sir, can you solve this question? I did not get it.
Definitely. Look at this first. Area of the triangle given. Area of the triangle is 154 centimeter square given. Just a minute. So area of the triangle is of pi r square. कितना 154. तो r square कितना मिलेगा 154 divided by pi. तो 154 by 22 by 7 मतलब into 7 here. So 22 11 2 जा और 11 2 जा करेंगे. 11 नहीं तो ऐसा करेंगे. 2 11s 2 77s 11 1 जा 11 7 जा. So r square is equal to how much I got 49. तो r value कितना मिलेगा 7 centimeter. आया? Any doubts here? So it is equilateral triangle, right? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. If I just do this, A, B, C. Now it's perimeter of the triangle, right? Is asking for perimeter of the triangle. So if I take ABC is a equilateral triangle, it's talking about in circle, right? In circle as well. Look at this now. What is R value? Look at this here. Look at this now. If I make an in circle here. One second. If I make in circle something like this, I'm very bad at diagrams. In circle कोई ऐसा मान लो, ठीक है? In circle. So he is asking for area of the inside. इसका एरिया होगा, ठीक है? इसका एरिया इतना दिया है, ठीक है? उससे रेडियस पता चल गया. तो मुझे अभी देखो पेरीमीटर ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल आई नीड टू फाइंड इट आउट. पेरीमीटर इज व्हाट? व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द ट्रायंगल? पेरीमीटर ऑफ द इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल फॉर्मूला क्या होता है?
Sum of all sides.
Sum of all sides. You could say that. So here, look at this now. One second. Now guys, look at this. If I just draw this, this is my height, isn't it? Altitude. कोई भी देखो मेरा ये हो गया D पॉइंट, ये कोई भी D ले लो. and AD is equal to what here? AD is equal to H. ठीक है, AD is equal to height. देखो if I just this is my center of circle, ये रेडियस हो गया, ये भी रेडियस हो गया, ये भी रेडियस हो गया. देखो समझो, क्वेश्चन को समझो ध्यान से, डायग्राम को समझो. ये रेडियस, दिस अ रेडियस, दिस अ रेडियस, दिस अ रेडियस, दिस अ रेडियस, दिस, ये सब रेडियस ही होगा ना? यस सर नो? यू अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट? yes or no? So this is 7 now, this is 7, AB7, AB7. आया समझ? You understand or not? yes or no guys? AD
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to height. height मतलब कितना मिलेगा मुझे?
Yes.
हाँ, so देखो अभी एक मिनट, let me write. So guys, you might have learned from the triangles. You might have learned from the triangles. I think you know this this type of question. It is not not been in your syllabus. For understanding this question, you must understand triangles properly. All right. So in the triangles, guys, you have one concept basically. If you just take any ABC triangle, and if you just draw this is a circle here, right? This is a center. All right. So here angular bisector concept, you know here basically you should know that. So the bisector, if you take angular bisector matlab just dividing, right? Dividing in equal parts. So here by angular this bisector, what they do is this is a median matlab the middle में होने वाला, ठीक है? This is a point of intersection. It divides in the ratio called 2:1. We have you know theorem for that. We have a theorem. It divides in a 2:1 ratio. This is a point of intersection here. This divides a point of intersection 2:1 ratio. And look at this here, AD. Look at this here. Now what is my, if I just consider into two triangles, this one triangle and this one triangle, just these two triangles. So if I just talk about this red color triangle, triangle ADB or triangle ABC, कुछ भी, from the triangle ADC, if I talk about triangle ADC, what is angle ADB? Angle ADB 90 degrees होगा, D तो 90 होगा ना इधर, right angle triangle. हाँ sorry, देखो this O here. What is OA? What is OA and what is OD? OA is equal, OA तो 2/3 होगा, OD is equal to 1/3. OA 2/3 ना? OA is a
Yes.
2 parts out of 3 parts. OD is 1 part out of 3 parts. Why? Because it is dividing in the 2:1 ratio. As per the angular bisector concept from the triangles, let's say you don't have that concept in your syllabus right now, but still I'm just teaching you. Don't consider for you know this academic year. Need not to worry about it. So OA is equal to 2/3 and OD is equal to 1/3 here. And look at this here. OD is equal to what? OA is a radius. So OD is what here? OD is a radius, right? OD is a radius, isn't it? OD is a radius or not? OA is also radius. OD is also radius of a circle, right? So मुझे अभी करेंगे, अब देखो radius मतलब R. So R is equal to, can I consider 1/3? How many of you agree with my point? How many of you agree with my point? Or else it's simply, look at this.
Yes, sir.
First let me write. Now AD is what here? AD. पूरा AD क्या होगा? AD is altitude, right? AD is equal to altitude. Altitude का मतलब height हो गया. आया समझ?
Sir, √3/2 into A.
Sorry?
So √3/2 into A, altitude
हाँ.
of the triangle.
हाँ. So what is this? √3/2 into A. What is A here?
Side of the triangle.
Side of the triangle, right? So now look at this here for finding. Now how can I find it out this? So √3 by हाँ मुझे मिलेगा radius 1/3. So guys, look at this here. OD, look at this. OD is equal to, let me write here. First, let us go with this. In orange, OD is equal to what? OD is equal to 1/3 parts of what? Of whom? Of height. Of height, isn't it? Of AD. AD is height here. Is that clear? Is that clear with everyone or not? Yes or no? This OD is equal to the either OD beta one part out of 3 parts of किसका? मेरा नहीं, तेरा नहीं, AD का. आया समझ? आया समझ? This is how I'm writing. AD is what here? AD. Here AD is what? Here AD is equal to what? Height or altitude? Yes or no? Are you people understanding here? Are you guys understanding?
Yes, sir.
1/3. AD is what? Height हो गया. तो मुझे मिलेगा OD is equal to what? H/3. OD is equal to what here? OD is equal to what? Radius. Radius ही है ना, तो मुझे मिलेगा ये radius. तो H value is how much now? H/3 into radius मुझे मिला था R, sorry 7. So H is equal to 7 into 3. तो H value कितना मिलेगा? 21 centimeter. This is my H.
Sir,
Yes.
so did you use root 3 by 2 into 8?
Look at this. Yes. Now height as per the, we know that height or altitude of an equilateral triangle is equal to कितना? How much?
Root 3 by 2 into A.
Into A. So now A is equal to, how can I find it out here? मुझे मिलेगा A value. So 2 into H by root 3. So A is equal to 2 into H is what? 21 by root 3. आया समझ? तो A is equal to 2 into 21. Or else you can write simply 2 into 27 can be written, 21 can be written as 7 into root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 will be getting cancelled. A is equal to what? 14 root 3.
14 root 3.
ये मिलेगा मुझे. So I got H value and A value. Now what is it? Perimeter. We need to find what? Perimeter of the equilateral triangle. So look at this. This is my equilateral triangle A, B, C. Perimeter. Equilateral triangle means all sides will be equal. So therefore, perimeter of equilateral triangle is what? Perimeter of an
3A.
Equilateral triangle is equal to 3 times of A. So 3 times of A मतलब 3 into A value कितना? 14 root 3. So 14 3 is how much? 42. Into root 3 value is how much? 1.732. So if you calculate this 42 into 1.732 कितना मिलेगा मुझे? Just calculate that. Tell me how much. That is what your answer. Calculate that and you find out. You find it. You will be finding out that. Amrita, did you understand, beta? Hello.
Yes, sir, I understood.
Sir, 7.7.
अच्छा 77.74. अच्छा 72.66 someone got. So who told 72.66? If you go for that, it is approximately gives you 72.7. Approximately equal to 72.7 centimeter. This is how you can solve. But I'm sure you won't be able to get. You won't be getting this much big questions. But still,
Sir, you used it from other syllabus, so.
Sorry.
This question isn't from our syllabus, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but you just learned out of it, right? You just learned. The only thing which you didn't know here is that theorem, which angle bisector which divides in a 2:1 ratio. And one more question. What was that? I think we have done with this question, guys. And Anudeep, we'll discuss that question in the next class. No problem. We have just taken 12 minutes extra.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. No problem. So we'll discuss in the next class. You just remind me that question. Okay. Clear? Is it clear,
Yes,
Anudeep? Chalo, now
yes,
let's retire now. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye. Thank you, children.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.